Are you a new real estate agent in the process of choosing your ideal brokerage? My name is Tharmila Rajasingam, Realtor with eXp Realty Brokerage based in Toronto. Subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and hit the notification bell to get updates on new content. If you like access to my tracking tool for interviewing brokerages, leave your email address in the comment section below and I'll be sending that your way. Now, let's talk about how to choose your ideal brokerage. Number one, know your goals as a real estate agent. And what does that all mean? Have you ever done a SWOT analysis on your brand? So SWOT analysis stands for S for strength, W for weakness, O for opportunities, and T for threats. And the SWOT analysis is a situational analysis. It gives you a really good overview of your brand. There's a reason why many brands conduct SWOT analysis. It really is a situational analysis of your brand. It's a massive eye-opener. It gives you access to more information in terms of internal strengths and weaknesses, as well as giving you access to information on external opportunities and threats. This is a very strategic exercise that I recommend all our agents that join our group. It's something that for you to do. So especially when there's setbacks in your business, you're able to look at your SWOT analysis and see where is your weaknesses, where are places that you need to improve on, and you're able to get the resources and tools to help you. And identifying your weaknesses gives you an idea to align with the right people, hence choosing the right mentors, which is why number one is the most important, is understanding your capacity, your purpose, your goal to why you got into real estate. Once you identify that and know where you want to take your business, now you've determined what you need, your vision and long-term strategy to help you grow your business. Now you can move on to the next step and conduct a thorough research to allow yourself to gather the right resources and tools to help grow your business. Number two is research. And this is a really good time for you to gather all the questions that you want to ask your brokerage. And remember, you're interviewing the brokerage, not the other way around. Remember, a lot of new real estate agents aren't aware of this. We are entrepreneurs. We are self-employed. We are independent contractors working for the brokerage, and they are not our employers. So remember, you want to take advantage of every single training and resources that every brokerage provides because you're paying for these services. So take a moment to sit down and gather all the questions you may have. And remember, there's not a single question that's a bad question. And remember, if someone isn't willing to answer that question for you, that's a red flag. One of the most important things to keep in mind now is you're an entrepreneur, you own your business. So jump on Google, go on YouTube and start doing a little bit of research. I interviewed over 8 brokerages, not only in the Greater Toronto area in my neighborhood, I also did some research online. This is how my partner and my husband Josh and I were able to find eXp Realty. Number 3, evaluate. This is where you want to gather all of your notes and do a thorough comparison. Once again, if you want to have access to my tracking tool to interviewing brokerages, comment down below with your email address and I will send that your way. Not only does this Excel tracking tools identify exactly the type of questions to ask your brokerage, but it gives you the ability to break down every single brokerage and compare all of your answers. And this tool gives you the ability to move on to the next step when you make the final decision. How many times have you heard of real estate agents jumping from brokerages to brokerages? There's a big false assumption that real estate agents are going to land this amazing brokerage that's going to hand over them business. And a lot of time when you're interviewing brokerages, you'll get the feel for their culture. And remember, when you're interviewing brokerages and they tell you that they're going to hand over you leads, make sure you read the fine print. And make sure you ask a lot of questions to identify the quality of these leads. One of the big aspects a lot of new real estate agents miss out on is the idea of building a database. Like many entrepreneurs, everyone wants instant gratification. There's a reason why 87% of real estate agents fail in the first 5 years. It's because they forget to build a solid business foundation for their business from the beginning. And you're probably asking what that means. And it's their discipline to create a database for sustainable growth. People forget to prospect and build their own database. This is why during this stage, a lot of agents think that they're going to join a brokerage that's going to hand over them business. And this is why it's really important, going back to my first point, understanding exactly what you need. Are you going to be doing this full-time, part-time, etc.? Number 4, make a decision. When I meet with a lot of new real estate agents, they always tell me, if this doesn't work, maybe I'll go somewhere else. The problem with that mindset is that you're already walking into this new venture thinking that you're going to fail. Why not choose your ideal brokerage from the start? Remember, choosing the right brokerage is a cornerstone to your success in this business. But a lot of your success has to do with you. I know a lot of real estate agents that are jumping from brokerage to brokerage looking for that magical results. So make sure you protect your time and your energy from the beginning and build a successful business from the start. And remember, you're making a decision that's right for you. Whether you're looking to choose a sponsor at eXp Realty or even find a mentor, make sure you're in control at all times. It's all about aligning with the right people to take your business to the next level. And often the initial conversation always sounds perfect. But what's most important is how much are these people going to really be the cornerstone to the success of your business in long term. One of the biggest mistakes a lot of new real estate agents make is thinking in the short term. Often a lot of new real estate agents tell me that a local brokerage is so important to them. Going into an office is so important. And remember, ever since the pandemic, our world has changed. We don't have to work the same way anymore. Make sure you choose a brokerage that gives you the ability to work anywhere, anytime, which is why I joined eXp Realty. If you'd like to learn more about my research and why I chose eXp Realty, to book a one-on-one call and to take your brand to the next level, check out the link in my description for my calendar. Thanks so much for watching. My name is Tharmila Rajasingam, Realtor with eXp Realty. See you next time.